Say hi to the vlog. I'm vlogging the behind the scenes. I hope you enjoyed your little session. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you. What else? Yeah, that's everything. Check. So it is officially, guys, I'm so tired. It's officially 5 days away from launch day. It is July 13th. Just a few things that I got to keep myself organized and stuff before we launch. So I got a cutter. I got a paper cutter because I'm gonna be cutting and making the business cards obviously by myself. Oh, I should have wore this. I'm wearing this in the next video, period. I'll put this up here. Receipt. So I got a cutter, a multi-purpose trimmer is what it's called. I got a little notebook just so I can like write down some important things that I need to keep track of, and you know, just other stuff, because so far I've been using my phone, but I want something tangible as well besides like my phone, so that I can just put anything that I need to write down in there. And I just got some pens. Okay, and these are the card stock that I decided to go with. I think they're very cute and like my style. So they are literally like metallic. So this one, you can't really see it on the camera, but there are two different type of metallic finishes. You can kind of see it. This one's like more white, this one's more gray. So I'm gonna use these two interchangeably. I'm not gonna, you know, I'll probably just use one pack at a time and then we'll see what happens. I don't really know how I'm gonna work this thing yet, but that. So next I'm going to go ahead and show a clip of me creating some business cards, because that's the next thing. So the next scene you're about to see is going to be my computer screen, and it's going to be showing me just trying to make making a thank you card, and then we'll see what happens after that. All right, so or whichever way it's supposed to turn, but yeah. So yeah, I was excited. Also, I'm all dolled up because I just filmed a little tutorial using my BerryFae Beauty brow pencil. That's what I have on my brows, and I also have Berry liquid lipstick. I'm so loud on my lips. So yeah, I filmed that video for like Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that. So like when I'm like promoting, I can actually be using the products on myself. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyways, enough talking. Move to the next scene. So hungry. Alright, so this is the card for now. Style might change. I'm just going to print it out and see what happens. Okay? See what it looks like. Print. I already know one thing I want to change. So I'm about to be buying ink, printing out all these things. This is what it looks like. Very cute. So already I think I need to pull this down just a little bit. I really wanted my logo in the background, but I haven't finished it yet because I'm redoing my logo. But this is what the thank you cards are going to look like. This is a very big version, obviously. I just wanted it big enough so I can see. But they're going to be smaller cards, maybe about this size. And it's going to be cardstock, so it won't be on regular paper. We are almost there. Almost there. Oh my gosh, 5 more days. And I'm going to be running around like crazy. I might have to quit one of my jobs to really keep up, even though, you know. But yeah, in order for me to really do this successfully, all by myself, I might have to let go of one of my 2 jobs and focus on building this brand. Awesome. So yeah, those are the business cards, or the thank you cards. It's just going to be thank you cards that come in, you know, a package, like when you get it from the mail or whatever from the company. I'm talking so much and I'm so hungry. Oh, I need to record a video like this one day in the light like that. I think I'm gonna do a video like this one. I'll get ready with me I'm gonna do that. When I tell you these liquid lipsticks are mattifying and long lasting, baby, I don't take them off until I get in the shower, literally. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go finish working on the thank you cards and adding some tweaks, and I don't know what the next clip is gonna be just yet. It's probably gonna be me packaging the things. I don't know. Honestly, you know what's so crazy? I do almost every single, I have a plan for everything, but like, it's like I kind of don't. Like, I'm doing everything as it comes, like day by day. Like, as soon as I got off work today, I said I'm gonna go buy cardstock to make my own cards, and I had the idea to make my own cards, but I didn't know I was gonna do it today. So that's what I mean. Like, some days I just get up and do stuff. So I plan a lot of stuff, but some days, I'm telling you, these lashes are so nice, but they're so big, but they're so nice. Like, once you put them on, it's like they're not even really on. I am wearing berry on the lips and coffee brown on my eyebrows. I can't believe this. This is crazy, bro. I'm about to take a picture like that. So it's the next day, and I officially finished editing, which looks much better. The thank you cards that are gonna go inside of the you know. So this is gonna be the back side. This is gonna be the front side with just my brand new logo. Shout out to John D on Instagram for this beautiful upgraded logo. I really loved the one before, but now that I actually have a business, I feel like it was requiring me to upgrade the logo as well. But I kept the same concept, as you can see, still BerryFae with the strawberry as the A, and I just wanted it to be more business appropriate. So that's one side of the card, and this is the other. Make sure you tag us on Instagram for your chance to get 10% off your next purchase. So I am about to put in a sheet of the cardstock, which I have right here. Here's one that's open. And we're gonna oh my freaking gosh. I just ripped it. This thing is expensive behind paper. Let's print, shall we? So I went ahead and made them on here on this little spreadsheet thing. And I'm gonna just print it. You know, I'm not gonna know until I try. It's officially 4 days until launch day. So now is the time for me to try all these things out. So I'm going to hit print. And we're gonna see what happens. And I did it this way because I didn't feel like waiting on Vistaprint or any other printing company. I'm like, let me just do it myself. So if you ever want to gift me anything, printer ink. I have an HP Envy printer. Please. Because the way I'm going to be printing all the time, it's going to be ridiculous. So, it's coming out. Alright, so I have it all. Oh my gosh, this is so much harder than I thought. But once I get the rhythm of it, I'll be able to. I don't know if I put the paper back in the right way because I'm doing front and back and it's not like a regular industrial printer. Ah. Okay. Oh, horrible. I put it on the exact same side. So I need to put this side back up. I'm gonna do it anyways, just so I know. And here, this is so cute. I'm starting to feel like I got the wrong paper though. This metallic business is not making it as cute as I want it to be. Alright, so I redid everything. I aligned them both and I pressed double-sided printing. So we're gonna see what that does. Because I don't know what it's gonna do. Well, it stopped, so Oh, okay, put it back in. Okay, so I can do double-sided. Wow, this paper is drenched. It's not horrible. It's just something about my black ink, it looks like. Because this is regular white paper and the black is still showing up like that. Just a fair warning to anyone who's thinking about starting their own business. Let me tell you, I already knew it wasn't like a super easy task and blah blah blah. I get it, but now I really get it. Okay, now I really get it. But I am going to print out 2 pages of thank you cards so that I can go ahead and start chopping them. And then yeah, woo-wee, it's officially 2 days before I launch. Right now, actually technically it's like 1 day, because yeah, anyways, so today I am putting all the finishing touches onto the website, taking some things down and putting some things up, just because my vision is like steadily changing, so I'd rather change it now before I launch. And so one of the things I'm working on, I just want to show you really quick. Oh my gosh, so cute. So this is like a little promo video that I'm mainly going to be using for like my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff. So just a little thing I made. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this website. This is CANVA.com. I'm using the free version, and look at how beautiful this thing is with all these things that are free. Obviously you can pay for more things, but it's not necessary. Like, you can be really creative if you just take some time. So this is gonna be a little cute little clippy clip. Isn't it so cute? And I put all these together. These are my photos, my logo, and then I just put things together, change colors. Like, this template was like pink, hot pink, and I obviously changed it to red so it can match my theme. So I'm just gonna keep on working on certain things. I want to animate certain parts of it, like a little bit more. I want to extend the time, and I'm going to add maybe just like a little bit of music in the background. I'm not sure just yet. I think I am. So yeah, it's so fun doing this. Like, I'm gonna play it one more time so you can see it. How cute is it? Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm gonna keep playing around with this, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, anyways, so right now I'm about to combine. I'm doing this for my video tonight. Combine the white and the red, and then we're going to spray them and put it back in the bowl so that it can marinate for the packages. So I have white and I have red and gold. This is from the Dollar Tree. So here we have some of them mixed up together. Not too much, but I'm going to spray them with this scent here, Confetti Cake Pop. Looking for my strawberry scent, but I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna have to make do in a little while. Bahama passion fruit. Actually, I think this is the better. I might just do both of them. This one is Bahamas passion fruit and banana flour. So I'm spraying them down, drenching it with a very nice scent. Hopefully nobody has allergies to this. Okay, now put it back in this bag so that they can just sit there, and when it's time for me to start doing the package the actual product, I'll pull them out of this bag and put them in the thing. Alright, so everything is in here for this first initial launch. I'm going to go ahead and zip this, seal this shut. And I'm just going to let that sit down in there until it's time to actually start packaging people's orders. So that's that behind the scenes, what I've been doing, how I'm doing it, and I'll see you in the next clip.